guys, my name is Charlene and I want to invite you to a workshop that I'll be running on how to be heard through the noise. What is this about? Well, it's about ways of cutting through all the white noise online made by your competitors, consumers, government, corporations, media outlets, and basically anybody who has the attention of your target audience. During this session, we will look at how to construct a short 90-day marketing plan that will allow your business to be flexible and agile during these uncertain times that we are now in. We will touch on your ideal customer and also look at whether or not going on sale is the best option for your business at this time. I think you'll get a lot out of this session. It will take you back to the basics of marketing to really focus on your core customer. It will also remind you to think like a consumer, think about your behaviors, your interests, and the expectations you have of your favorite brands and what motivates you to purchase. If you have any questions, just email Cara and she'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, I will see you online and I will be happy to answer your questions myself. See you real soon.